Let's imagine a scenario together, mama. Imagine waking up every morning feeling rested and refreshed, knowing that your little one is sleeping peacefully through the night while being fully satisfied throughout the day. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Welcome to my masterclass on helping your baby sleep peacefully and establishing a healthy feeding routine without shedding tears, mama. My masterclass offers age-appropriate strategies where you are emotionally connected to your baby. As a mama of two, a certified nutritionist, and baby sleep consultant, I deeply understand the struggles you face as a mama when it comes to getting your little ones down and ensuring they receive proper nutrition. In this free 1-hour session, we will dive into proven sleep science techniques such as dream feeding, self-settling, and wake windows to help your baby sleep peacefully during naps and nighttime. Together, we will also go over the importance of establishing a consistent routine and identifying your baby's unique cues and needs. As a nutritionist, I will reveal the key to feeding timing to achieve a fully nourished baby belly and strategies to optimally support your baby's natural development and growth. Take advantage of this free opportunity to turn your mamahood dreams into reality. Sign up for my masterclass today and learn how to give your baby and yourself the restful nights that you both deserve.